Assalamu alaikum. Today topic is about attitude, personality in the subject of leadership and team management. In this lecture, we started understanding leader as individual. Why is it important to know an individual values? Although values strongly influence persons, the perception, attitude, and ultimately the behavior. Knowledge of an individual's value system can provide insight into his attitudes. Leaders should be interested in their employees' attitude because attitudes give warnings of potential problems and because they influence behavior. Work attitudes are collection of feelings, beliefs, and thoughts about how to behave the people. Now, next one is we have job satisfaction. What is job satisfaction? And then personality. It refers to a collection of feelings that an individual holds toward his or her job. A high level of job satisfaction brings positive attitude toward the job. Employee attitudes and job satisfaction are frequently used interchangeably. Often when people speak of employee attitude, they mean employee job satisfaction. What is the advantages? Job satisfaction and absentees, turnover, job performance, behavior perception. What about perception components? That is perceiver, target, situation. Attitude, personality. Leader as individual. Individual values. What are individual values? Influence a person. Influence a person's perception, attitude, and ultimately the behavior. Knowledge of an individual value system provide insight his attitudes. Leaders should be interested in their employees' attitudes. Work attitudes are collection of feelings, beliefs, and thoughts. Work attitudes. Job satisfaction. A pleasurable or high level of job satisfaction brings positive attitudes. Work attitude, organizational commitment. Number 1 is effective commitment. Number 2 is normative commitment. Number 3 is continuous commitment. In this, now we tell about organizational commitment. Effective commitment means emotional attachment to the organization and believes its values. Continuous commitment, value of remaining with an organization compared to alternatives, can't afford to leave the organization. Normative commitment, job satisfaction, participation, job security, and job characteristics in which autonomy, responsibility, and interest in work. What is the advantages? In advantages, job satisfaction and absenteeism, job satisfaction and turnover, job satisfaction and job performance, job satisfaction and behavior perception. In the perception has 3 components. The perceiver is the person trying to interrupt some observation that he or she has just made or the input from his or her senses. Next one is target. Target of perception is whatever the perceiver is trying to make sense of. Next one is situation is the context in which perception takes place. In this lecture, you learn about attitude, personality. Next one is you learn about organizational commitment, affective commitment, normative commitment, advantages, and 3 components of perception. Thank you.